everybody, it's John. Welcome back to my paint booth. I'm going to start, I've already primed. I'm going to start painting the hot rod for my old Tom appreciation build. So, let me get a glove. Excuse my shirt sleeve. So I did choose cobalt blue. I thinned my paint down with water this time. It's going to take longer drying time. I'm okay with that. It's making this funny noise, but the paint seems to be coming out okay. It's not like splattering. These guys coming out pretty smooth. Alright, I think everything's looking pretty good. I'm going to turn some heat on in here. Let it dry off, and I'll come back and give it a bit more. I'm not sure if I like this idea of using the water. I mean, it seems to be going on pretty good. The gun is making like the spitting noise, but it's not spitting. So I don't know what to make of that. But yeah, the paint's pretty smooth. You know, there's no splashes in it or anything from, I mean, I thought it was going to be spattering, but it's not. So I don't know if it's just because I used the water or what, but I think I'm going to switch back to using a thinner. But obviously, I don't think it would be too smart to switch to that now, especially since I already started with the water. I don't know how that'll affect the paint. If I switch to thinner mid paint job, like I said, it's coming out good. It's just that noise is bothering me more than anything. Alright, so I'm turning the heat on, let this dry off, and we'll be back to it. Alright everybody, I'm going to see you upstairs, and I'm going to show you how Tom's engine is coming out. Here we are, back upstairs. So, with further investigation of the airbrush, I hate to admit this, but what apparently happened is the tiny little rubber gasket that goes around the point, the very tiny point where the needle goes through, apparently that little gasket has been lost. I was always so careful to keep my eye on it, but you know, only takes one time. So I know Hobby Lobby sells them. I don't know if they're basically universal, but hopefully they are. If not, I will just have to bring them back and order one from elsewhere. But yeah, that's why I guess it's painting fine. It's just spitting and bubbling up a little bit in the pot. So anyway, so yeah, that's what's happening. You know, mistakes are what make us stronger, I guess. So so here's the engine so far. I painted the block black, gunmetal for the tranny. Focus, please. And let's see. And I I stripped some of the chrome off of the carburetors, so I painted brass on the bottom in between. Black washed all the valve covers and oil pan, training pan. So yeah, that's where we are so far with the engine for Tom's hot rod, the 29 Model A. So that's as far as I gotten. So I got the paint going for the body. I'll have to run to Hobby Lobby and get some more of those parts. So yeah, so there we are. So thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, please click like, subscribe, share. All those things have a great effect on the algorithm for my channel. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And I will see you next time. Thank you, and God bless.